We are traveling and exploring the island of Batanes and one of the hidden gems of our country, Philippines. It has 10 islands. 3 of these are inhabited by people. These are Sabtang, Itbayat, North and South Batan. South has the most breathtaking landscapes. Batanes is in the northernmost part of the archipelago. One of the best views in this island is Rakuh-a-Payaman, as the locals call this place. But the tourists called it Marlboro Country, just like New Zealand. There's like no other in the Philippines except the island of Batanes because of its enchanting swept winds with our bovine friends grazing on its green and beautiful verdant rolling hills.